quantity and quality of the products I felt like, and I have discussed my hair problems also, that at what level they were and how they are now. So I think, hey everyone, this is Manpreet and I'm back with another video on Vedic. So today I have completed my 6-month package of Vedics, and today's video is going to be very much informative because I am going to share with you that I have used 6 months packages of Vedics and how the experience was. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and my 7th month package also I have received, and here it is completely closed. I haven't opened it yet. So today I have few of the smileys also, and these smileys are for telling that how my experience was while using these Vedics products. So here it is, like, I loved the results. I was totally happy with the results. The results were good. It was not bad nor good. So, and the another is that I was totally upset with the results, and I have prepared a complete list of the hair problems I was suffering from or I am still suffering, and these problems are most common in the girls who experience to get their healthy long hair. So I have a complete list of those hair problems also, and for those hair problems I am going to give marks, if you say, or I'm going to give ratings like 5 out of 5, 4, 3, 2, and it is for 1. Fine. So first of all, let's talk on the texture of my hair. So definitely I am going to give a happy one that the results were good. Why it was good? Because earlier my hair type was somehow brittle and they were rough. So in the starting I felt like my hair are getting more dry, but at the end of using these month packages, so I was happy with it, like, because my hair was somehow smoother than before. Then second thing it comes is hair length. I'm really sorry to say there is nothing, because in another videos I have given another 5 videos with my every month experience, that how was my experience. So I am going to give 2 marks out of 5 because there is no such lengths in my hair. I have shown that in my 5th month package also, like, my hair length was almost equal which it was before 5 months, and it is same still till now. So I am not like, because before using Vedics I just made my mind that after using the complete package definitely I'm going to get somehow good long hair, but the results were like it increased, but it was just this much, and it is something which has to grow in 6 months. Fine. So using something different doesn't make any difference. So another thing is for scalp. So definitely I'll give 4 out of 5 because the scalp quality of my hair, it increased. It comes is dandruff. I would give 1 out of 5. It's like I was completely upset with it. Earlier I was not having dandruff problem, but as I've started using Vedics I started getting that. I told them about that problem. They said me to use few masks for all those dandruff and everything, like I was getting itchiness and dandruff. After using masks there was much improvement, but as I stopped using masks it was like again blunder. Like, even if I washed my hair today, till afternoon I'd again get dandruff, and this is something I was not getting before. So I'm really upset from this. Another thing, it comes like graying of hair, like if you get white hair. So for that also I'll give it something like Earlier, before using Vedix, I was having one white hair, but now I'm having three white hairs. So I don't know like why they are getting white, but yeah, definitely there is nothing good or bad with it. Like they have improved, but yes, it is increasing. Like yeah, it has to be, so it is going on. So I would say that there's nothing for Vedix to do in it. So 2 out of 5, because nothing nor bad nor good, nothing. Another thing is split ends. See it. Why? Because earlier I made a problem, like I had so many split ends, and even after clearing my hair I still have split ends problem. Like while brushing I get split ends too much. Even after using these 6 months package, my hair are still weak, so they get break from the hair length. Fine. Another thing it comes is hair fall. I am just happy with it. Happy in the sense I just loved it. Before using Vedix, I went for Vedix just because I was getting so much hair fall. You can see it in my first video that I was getting so much hair fall. Hair were getting removed from my scalp, and I was like, I'm just going to get bald. So my hair fall was actually stopped as I'm using Vedix from scalp. Definitely not hair getting broken, not something like that. Yes, from scalp my hair fall has stopped, so I'm so much happy and Vedix, so thank you for it. Fine. Another thing it comes, I have told you about breakage and those split ends. So for breaking of hair, for that health of hair length, it's 1 out of 5. I'm not at all happy with it. Another thing it comes is itchiness. I have told you that my itchiness I was getting earlier, it improved, and I don't get all those reddish scalp and that wounds in my hair, in my scalp. So definitely I'm happy with it, though I get after second or third day. But yes, it, as it was problem like permanent before using Vedic, so it has improved. So definitely I'm happy. Fine. Another thing it comes is hair growth. I will give 4 out of 5. Why I'll give 4 out of 5? Because of hair fall, my there was completely stop at my growing of my hair. So hair growth has improved. I have told you in my different videos also that there is growth of baby hair. So yes, I'm happy with it. 4 out of 5 I'll give. Another thing it comes is like many of the girls have problem, like we have thin hair, thick hair, all those problems. So if you ask me this question in comments also, many people asked me like, are you, what we can do, or are you happy with the thickness of your hair if you're using Vedic? Then definitely I'm going to give 3 out of 5. Why 3 out of 5? Because I'm getting back my hair again. So there is nothing like my hair have grown so much heavier. There's nothing like that. If you're having thin hair from your childhood, from your birth, they can never be changed. Your texture of hair can improve, but you can't change its type. So if you're having thin hair or you are having heavy hair, your hair type or your scalp would work accordingly. If you are deficient in any of the nutrients in your body, then definitely your hair length will go to thinner, but your thinner won't come to heavy. So you have to understand it. So I would just say that it's 3 out of 5. Now let's come on how the experience was of using Vedix. First of all, let's come on the quantity of the product. So definitely in starting I felt like the quantity of the product was too much less. Why? Because I was having heavy hair, and with heavy hair I was having itching problems. So I have to wash my hair like after 2 or 3 days. So definitely the hair oil was less, shampoo was less, so serum was okay, but yes, it also get finished in 20 days only. So I felt like it's a blunder problem, I have to do something with it. So I started using khadi. Before, I used to give my first wash with khadi. After that, I used to give my second wash with Vedix, because I am having heavy length, so I required those two washes every time I wash my hair. So this is how I maintained using my shampoo. Another thing, I started using Vedix hair oil for my scalp especially, and for my lengths I started using coconut oil, extra virgin coconut oil, and sometimes I used to mix olive oil and castor oil in that for my lengths. I never applied it on my scalp, I used it for my lengths only, because for my scalp I was using Vedix only. And for serum, because in starting we were not good with using the product efficiently, so with the time I learned how to use that serum properly, like proper amount on proper area. So definitely the quantity, if you think that it's less, but yes, with the time you will learn how to use that quantity for your hair. Fine. Another thing it comes is, how was the quality of the products. We have talked about quantity, now it's come quality of the products. Definitely I just loved the serum. I just loved it. It was not at all sticky, it was just water based, and I seriously loved that. So another, it comes shampoo. I would say like shampoo was not for of my kind. Why? Because I have rough hair type, so I apply little bit more oil than simple hair used to get. Like, when, can you understand, I used to apply a little bit more oil because of that dryness, so I require something which clean my hair properly. But even if you have normal hair type, still I don't think that Vedix shampoo can clean that properly, so I required something good cleanser before using that Vedix shampoo. So for cleaning purpose, it was not up to mark, I would say. It was okay, nothing. Fine. Another thing comes is oil. So I was okay with the oil. It was not much sticky. It was sticky, but it was not that so much sticky like mustard oil. So definitely it was okay. I was okay with it. So I'm happy using that. So I'll give 3 out of 5 to the hair oil. This was the quantity and quality of the products I felt like, and I have discussed my hair problems also, that at what level they were and how they are now. So I think you find this video informative. Must give a like button if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So till that, take care, stay healthy, bye bye.